you. So shall I start? Thank you. I wanted to be a good speaker in my childhood, and I remember that I was in just 4th class, and on that time I asked to my mother, dear mother, you know that I am so interested in English and I want to participate in spoken English course. I want to take admission in spoken English course. You know that very well. Then my mother said that, yeah, I know dear, you are interested in English and you want to become a good speaker, and I also want to you become a good speaker. But now I cannot take your admission. When you will go in 6th class, then I will sure take your admission in spoken English course. Tension not, I will take your admission, but first go in 6th class. Then I was waiting for my 6th class because it's so glad for me, my 6th class. Then is the time of I came to my 6th class, and I told to my mother, mom, you was saying that I will take your admission when you will go in 6th class, and now I am in 6th class, so take my admission. Then my mother told that, I remember it, I knew it dear, like my words, I will take your admission in spoken English class. I will talk to your cousin. Then my mother asked to my cousin, do you have any spoken English academy in your think? Tell me soon. Okay, then my cousin told that, yes, of course I will tell you soon, but after some times I operate Google and I write that spoken English academy near me. Then I saw in first row Speak English Learn English Academy in the first rating with best rating and best comments, and I saw Nitin sir number also. Then I told everything to my mother, and my mother immediately made a call to my Nitin sir, and my mother talked to my Nitin sir, and we fixed the time like when we come for for my introduction. Then Nitin sir told that 4 p.m. Then next day me and my parents came to sir office, and first time I saw Nitin sir, and sir told everything about 6-month course and 3-month course. Then I took admission, and next year I started to come, and I was fall on stairs, but I saved myself. In the same times, sir's sister told that, carefully dear, carefully. I thought that she's a teacher and she's come here for teaching only, but after some times I knew that she's sir's sister. Then I told everything to sir's sister. Now she's like my sister and she's so close to me. I talk to Deepika Di daily, and in fact sir, after some times I was so nervous also, and I was so confused which is my class, because there was 3 rooms and I was so confused that which is my room. Then first of all I sit in computer room, second I sit in Deepika room. Then after sometimes one person come that, are you in spoken English course students? Then I told that, yes, I am in spoken English course student. Can you tell me which is my classroom? Then the person told me that it's your classroom, and I sit, and when sirs come, then I give the small gift to my side. I give the chocolate. Then sir asked that, it's your happy birthday? Then I replied that, no sir, it's not my happy birthday, it's my small gift for you, please accept that. Sir do not accept that, but I give. And sir so glad, and after that sir start the class. In the class, first day was so fantastic for me, and sir told our basic like how many types of English, why we need to become a good speaker. And after some times sir told everything about continuous life, routine life, finished life, and I make 10 pages of continuous life, routine life, finished life. And after sometimes sir told for how to make a good presentation in a best way on routine life. Then I make presentation in routine life, and my first presentation, many people feel hesitate and nervous in first presentation, but I do not feel nervous, because I was think that why I am coming here, why I am joining this course. I am joined this course for speaking, and I will not, if I will not speak English on front of people, in front of podium, so I will not speak in English in ever my life. And my first presentation was fantastic, and sir so glad. And after sometimes we do conversation in group, and I gave presentation also, and for again delivering presentation, my English becomes so strong. And after sometimes sir told for make a conversation. Then we make conversation, to each other. I enjoy my these days, and I do not want to take a holiday for one day. If I am suffering from fever, that's why I will not take holiday, because one day is so special for me. me. And in fact my all institute member also so intelligent and so bright, and by my thing its academy is so superb, and I do not have words for appreciate this academy and my sir also. And after some times sir told some rules also, like how to become a good speaker and why we need to join this academy, why we need to speaking English. And if you are going to delivering presentation and you forget the word, what was the word where I was going to delivering, I forget that. So first you can deliver presentation in a best way, so help of Cambridge dictionary. If you will say I am doing job here for learn, and if you will say I am doing job here for getting knowledge, so it is better than first. So you can make presentation and help of Cambridge dictionary. And if you do not know how to make a presentation in a good way, first write it in Hindi, and after that translate one sentence in English. Then you will, then I am so guarantee that you will deliver presentation in a best way. And after sometimes we and I'm still studying here, and when I will complete this course, then I will miss too much this all institute members and my sir or enjoyment all. And I remember that one day I went to my mama home, and my mother told everything before me. My mother told that she is doing she's doing spoken English course and she speak in fluency in English. And I knew it that whenever I speak in English, I saw a different smile in my mother face, such a different smile in my mother face. Then I meet all person, then all persons so glad to me. And my Masi friend named Sangeeta, she is like my Masi. I call her Masi. She told course, yes, I am joining sports. Told after that, she told that can you tell me presentation on routine life? Then I told, of course, why not, I have studied that. Then I give all introduction, and after that I give presentation. After that she told that, wow Anshu, you are speaking in fluency English, and after sometimes you will be a good speaker, and I'm so sure that you will speak in English in a best way. Then when I was delivering the presentation, my mother, I can't tell you that my mother was so happy on that, and I saw very different smile on my mother face whenever I speak in English. And whenever I come to institute for delivering presentation, first I listen and I understand also. First I deliver presentation in my mother, and that I deliver presentation in institute. Because my mother, she is my one and only best friend, and she is so reliable and incredible person for me. And I want to thank to both, because my whatever I am because my parents and my family, my grandparents, my mother, my father, for my sir. I want to thank to both, because my parents, my family give me this golden opportunity to come here to learn here, and sir give me this golden opportunity to sit here to speak here. So I want to thank to both, because both are so special for me, and my family and my sir do very sacrifice for me. So I am so glad for today, and I am here and I am talking to you, because all credit goes to my family and to my sir. And I am so glad that I select this academy. This academy is so fabulous for me, and this academy is so lucky for me also. So I hope you like my speech, and thank you so much for listening me carefully and patiently.